How to turn off autoplay video in YouTube homepage. Hello and welcome back everybody. If you'd like to stop videos from playing while scrolling on the YouTube homepage, in today's video we will be guiding you through the process. You can start by opening up the YouTube app on your mobile device. For that, and once you open up the YouTube app, you can tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, here it should open up this page. You can go ahead and look out for the settings icon, a gear or a cog in the top right corner of the screen and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, you may just head over and find the section called General. You can find that option right at the very top. So find it up and tap on it. And once you do, you can just go ahead and find the settings called Playback and Feeds. So if you have that option, you can find it up and tap on it. It should be under app language. And you can tap on it and you can select the option for turning it off. And once you do, what happens is that action will stop videos from playing with sound as you scroll through the home feed, saving data and reducing the background noise. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to turn off autoplay video in YouTube homepage, this is the simplest method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tutorials.